Welcome back to our video series where we're covering all things 3D project planning. And here we're continuing the conversation around the 3D project kickoff, and in particular, the agenda that you need to have in place for that 3D kickoff meeting. There are a couple of things that you can actually leverage from your 3D business case and your 3D project charter. If you haven't seen those videos, by the way, go ahead and go back to those steps where we go in more detail about the business case and the project charter. But the beautiful thing is, if you've already taken those steps, if you've already completed those artifacts, then you're really leveraging that information and bringing it into the project kickoff. So it's going to include components like the objective of the project, the measures for success, what is in or out of scope. But an important part too is the ways of working. So if we have internal resources, external resources, or some combination thereof, we should have established communication protocols. What is the frequency or the cadence of meetings that we're going to have after the kickoff to make sure the project stays on track? We'll talk about roles and responsibilities, and if there's any QA or next steps. We can also have a discussion about the project risks, so you're already getting ahead of it. A lot of these things are topics that have been covered or should have been covered within your business case or your 3D project charter. So it's just all about leveraging that information, bringing the team along with you in that journey. For us, we actually have a pre-kickoff meeting. We call it onboarding, and that's really where we have an opportunity to work with the main points of contact, making sure we're staying crisp and clear on the objectives, the project scope. We actually have templates and things that we're already using just to make it easy for you. If we have a steering committee in place, more of the executive team that need to have, checkpoints along the way to make sure that the project is on track or to highlight any issues or risks. But again, we are aligned with what is your outcome? What is your objective that you want to accomplish with this project? And how do we as a team make sure that you're set up for success? We have been on a journey together. We've been exploring how to get started in 3D. What are the key steps in this journey to go from an idea to actually launching and kicking off this project? And now it's time to say farewell. But before we do so, make sure you check out the comments, check out the article and the free template. It covers everything. Make sure you download that. And if you want to keep the conversation going, go ahead and check out our website. Go ahead and request a demo or hit contact us. We'd love to further the conversation with you. We hope this information has been helpful and valuable to you, and don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for watching.